I believe it will be very hard for you to imagine that there has one lady who made money more than USD 10,000 per month by selling the mobile phone cases on TikTok. We have checked and found every video she released are watched by tens of thousands of people. She sold the mobile phone cases at $15 USD for each. But what's the cost of it? Maybe only just $1 for each. With the stable order quantity, she made money more than 10,000 USD per month. So you will find many methods in our account are very easy to learn. Just like this lady. What you should do is shoot the video regarding how to DIY the mobile phone cases. Then release it on TikTok. So easy, right? Actually, you don't need to have good ability to shoot and edit a video. What you need to do is just shoot the real video, then you will get many surprises. There will have many undeveloped flow pools in TikTok, which are waiting for you to try.